Okay, a lot of people actually pack a sickness bag for this one. This ride starts going backward and before you know it you are spinning 360 degrees on your own seat as you go straight down 200 feet.
Let's do this. Here we go. Hang on. Face first.
Running the Bulls in Pamplona is probably one of the craziest events that take place in the world, that consists of letting 6 bulls loose as you quite literally run for your life. This event has been taking place since the 14th century and attracts thousands of tourists. Back in 2017, a hotel in Houston, Texas went viral for their terrifying to see-through pool, but well, so far there has been no problems. The Cage of Death might not sound like the most appealing tourist attraction, but it's Australia's only crocodile cage diving experience, in which you can see up close amazing prehistorical creatures in their natural habitat. Might be better to avoid if you have neck problems. In New Zealand, Human Catapult offers the experience of being flung through the air like a human projectile, reaching a mind-boggling speed of 60 miles per hour in just 1 second, which is faster than any car in the world. Who needs a cape when you have a wingsuit? Wingsuit parachuting is when you leap off a cliff and experience gliding through the air like a flying squirrel. It's like an extreme sport that doesn't allow for mistakes. We have all heard this audio at some point in our lives.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
What most people don't know is that the original version came from an incredible tourist attraction in New Zealand. It's ridiculously terrifying.
Let me tell you something. 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 Wait.
This ride in Las Vegas is so terrifying that most of the time it's empty.
No. Oh, hell no. You dumb guy. Hell no.
The Death Valley is often referred to as an oven, since it's not only an extremely dry climate, but it's thought to be the hottest place on Earth during the summer, with this summer reaching a record temperature of 133 degrees.
It's still exciting. Again, we're getting lots of visitors who are wanting to get their picture with a thermometer, who want to feel what it feels like to live in such an extreme place.
Sleeping on the edge takes a whole new meaning with cliff camping. Hanging above a 1,000 feet drop might not be the most peaceful way to fall asleep, but at least you don't have to worry about bears. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like my style of commentary on videos. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.